Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Nasuha binti Azman. For today's video, I will be doing my assessment for persuasive speech. I will be talking about the importance of a healthy diet for everyone. Do you know what is a healthy diet? Why healthy diet is important for everyone? Okay, let me tell you about the healthy diet. A healthy diet is to helping people to maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet is very important for good health and nutrition. It protects you to prevent certain long-term chronic disease such as heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. It can also help reduce your risk of cancer and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Eating a variety of foods and less salt, sugar, and industrially produced trans and saturated fats is very important for a healthy diet. We all know that a healthy diet is one of the best things we can do for ourselves and our bodies. But there are many problems that can occur if we did not practice a healthy diet in our life. The problems are nutrient deficiencies, diabetes, and heart disease. A nutrient is a substance used to survive, grow, and reproduce. If you consume foods that do not provide adequate nutrient value, your nutrient levels will begin to decline. There are many dangers of nutrient deficiencies, including digestive problems, damaged bone growth, anemia, and skin problems. Next, diabetes is a disease that can occur when your blood sugar is too high. Due to the habit of a person who likes snacks, it causes a rapid spike in blood sugar. This is because snacks have refined carbohydrates. This causes the influx of insulin to be released into the bloodstream. When this happens often, it can put a lot of stress on a person's metabolism, which then affects the body's ability to manage insulin levels. If this continues to happen over a period of time, a person can easily develop type 2 diabetes. When diabetes cannot be managed well with a healthy diet, it will have a detrimental effects on a person. Besides that, heart disease refers to any condition that can affect the heart. An unhealthy diet is often high in sodium, fat, cholesterol, and sugar. Eating this unhealthy diet on a regular basis can increase blood pressure as well as cholesterol. Over time, high blood pressure can put pressure on your heart, increasing your risk for heart attack, stroke, and coronary artery disease. There are many solutions that can take to avoid any disease, such as consuming healthy diets. The diet should be based on the intake of the whole foods, as fresh as possible and unprocessed. Although it is difficult to follow a diet that consists entirely of whole foods, this is a good target to aim for when preparing your meals. Foods like these are much richer in nutrients and enzymes than foods that are processed or packaged industrially. Some examples of whole foods are the various types of whole wheat breads and cereals available, fruits, vegetables, fresh fish, and other meats from livestock, as well as nuts and grains. In addition, milks and other dairy foods such as cheese and yogurt are important in your diet as they provide the calcium needed for healthy teeth and bones. They are also a source of protein and can provide other vitamins and minerals that are important for your health. However, other foods such as butter and creams are not considered dairy food as they are also high in fat. So, they belong to the fatty food groups. A healthy diet includes a wide variety of foods. In fact, each food has a different nutritional profile. Eating as many as different types of healthy foods as possible allows you to increase the amounts and type of nutrient you eat. Not only that, but your personal taste will increase and your desire to eat different types of food will increase after experiencing many flavors, texture, and more. Furthermore, a varied diet prevents the development of food intolerance, preventing problems now and in the future. Try to eat fruits and vegetables of all colors, greens, yellow, red, and so on. This is because they all contain a variety of nutrients that are very valuable in preventing serious diseases. As you can see from the bar charts, this is a look into Malaysian preference towards the different diets. Based on the charts that I took from operators, diets such as less salt is 46%, less sugar is 45%, low fat is 36%, and others. These are the most common preferences by the Malaysian consumers to the people aged 57 and above. This suggests that they are more concerned about health, which may be due to their age. Next, this is Malaysian food pyramid. As you can see from the Malaysian food pyramid, it will help people who want to be on a healthy diet. It is because the food pyramid will help us to focus on the rice, noodles, breads, and other that can give proper intake rules such as eat adequately, eat plenty, eat in moderation, and eat less. All of the information on the Malaysian food pyramid will help you to be in the healthy diet. In conclusion, healthy diet is a very important for everyone to be in a good health. Healthy diet also can reduce or prevent the people to any chronic disease. As you can know that the prevention is better than cure. A healthy diet is not only benefit to everyone, but it also benefits to yourself. When we are in a healthy life, it also gives a motivation to everyone. As someone who want to live in the healthy state, you are encouraged to take the first step to becoming healthier, especially when you are young. Inspire your friends and family to do the same with a healthy diet. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.